Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from BA1111A, Group 5, and in this video, we're gonna present for MAT112 for Chapter 6 Annuity and Chapter 7 Trade and Cash Discounts. Our lecturer's name is Nufatiah binti Harun.
Before starting the presentation, let me introduce you to the group members. Firstly, we have Aina Liana Izwani binti Muhammad Syahmi Daim, Nur Syazana binti Muhammad Rafi, Muhammad Adib bin Ahmad Dani, and lastly, the group leader, myself, Wanda Rizukana bin Wan Ahmad Kamal. Now we will go to the introduction. What is annuity? Annuity is a succession of equal payments made at regular intervals. At the conclusion of the payments period, payments are made and the time periods for interest payments are equal. People also can use the annuity concept to make future saving and investment plans. For trade discounts, price reductions on products that result from bulk purchases. Trade discounts' primary objective is to entice customers or buyers to make larger purchases. And lastly, for cash discounts, reductions given by the provider of products or services to encourage the buyer to make a timely payment. Cash discount primary objective is to pursue customers to make payments on time. And this is our study case for annuity. For our problem statement, Zulkarnain wants to buy a new Prodom IV car that is costing 53,900. He made a down payment of 10,000 ringgit. For the balance, he made a loan from the bank that charged interest of 3% compounded monthly for 9 years. The objectives of the case study are to determine the value of money payment, to calculate interest incurred, to calculate the total outstanding balance if the payments was settled earlier than scheduled at the end months, to determine the accumulated amount if borrower meets ends consecutive monthly payments. For the first objective, we must find the balance after the down payment is made. To get the balance, the cost price will be minus with the down payment, and we will get 43,000 ringgit and 900. For the K is equal to 3%, M equals to 12, T equals to 9 years, I equals to 1/400, and N equals to 108. For the formula, A equals to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I in bracket the power of negative N and close the bracket and will be divided by I. And we will substitute it with the value that we already have. 43,900 equals to R 1 minus 1 plus 1/400 the power of negative 108 and divide it with 1/400. And we will get 109.75 equals to R 0.236363325, and we will get R equals to 464 ringgit 33 cents. That is the monthly repayment for the loan.
So, for question 2, we must to calculate interest accrued, which is I. So the formula is I equal R in bracket N bracket minus A. So after we fill up the formula, we get 494.33 in bracket 108 bracket minus 43,900. After we calculate, we must get RM 9,247.64 cents. So let's proceed to question 3. Question number 3 is about to calculate the total outstanding balance if the payment was settled earlier than scheduled at the end month. So the formula for question 3 is AN equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I bracket power negative N bracket over I. So after we fill up the formula, we get A36 equal to 494.33 in bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 1/400 bracket power 36 then bracket. So how we get the N? So 100 minus 72, so we get N equal to 36. So let's proceed the formula. So after we calculate the number before, we get A36 equal to 494.33 in bracket 0.085966162 bracket over 100/400. As a result, we get RM 159,000 equal to 464.33 bracket 1 plus 1 over 400 bracket power by 4 minus 1 then over 1 over 400. After we calculate using calculator, we got S4 equal to 4.66 or 7.41414 over 1 over 400. Then as the result, we get S4 equal to RM 1894.3.
My name is Aina Iswani and I'll be presenting about trade and cash discount. For the case study 2, we have chosen a Philips steam generator. Here's the problem statement. Asha received an invoice of buying steam generator dated 3rd of May 2022. The seller gives trade discounts of 10% and 20%. The terms of cash discount were 45% within 10 days, 50% within 20 days and 5% within 30 days. The list price is 559 ringgit, including packaging cost of 20 ringgit. Objective of case study are: be able to determine and calculate number 1, the single equivalent rate SER, number 2, the net price NP, number 3, the amount of net payment if it was paid within the terms of cash discounts, and the last one, number 4, the total discounts. Question number 1, find the single equivalent rates SER. List down all the informations. D1 equals to 10%, D2 equals to 20%, and the list price is 559 ringgit. The formula for SER is SER equals to open bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 minus D1 bracket 1 minus D2 close the bracket multiply 100. This solution SER equal to open the bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 minus 0.1 close the bracket in bracket 1 minus 0.2 close the bracket multiply with 100. First we have to solve down in the bracket, and then we have SER equals to 0.28 multiply with 100, and the final answer is SER equals to 28%. Question number 2, find the net price after trade discount NP. The list price is 559 ringgit and discount for single equivalent rate is 28%. The formula that can be used is NP equals to LP in bracket 1 minus DSER. For the solution, the net price equals to 559 ringgit in bracket 1 minus 0.28. Solve the bracket first and we get the answer. Net price equals to 402 ringgit 48 cents.
Hi, my name is Nur Shazana. I'm going to continue for the next explanation. For the second question, which is net payment. Okay, first we need to count the day from the date we receive the invoice until the date we make the payment. So it will be 19 May 2022 minus 3rd of May 2022. So we will get 16 days. For the cash discount, it is 45 over 10. 15 over 20 and 5 over 13. So cash discount will be 15% in bracket 0.15. Because we made the payment between 11 to 20 days. For the additional cost will be 20 ringgit. Next, the net price is 402 ringgit with 48 cents. Then the net price need to minus with the additional cost. So it will be 402 ringgit 48 cents minus 20 ringgit. And we will get new value for the net price, which is 382 ringgit 48 cents. Formula to get the net payment is net payment equals to net price, open bracket 1 minus cash discount, close bracket plus additional cost. So the solution will be net payment equals to in bracket 382 ringgit 48 cents multiply 1 minus 0.15 plus 20 ringgit. Net payment equals to in bracket 382 ringgit 48 cents multiply 0.85 plus 20 ringgit. Net payment equals to, in bracket, 325 ringgit 11 cent plus 20 ringgit. So the net payment will be 345 ringgit 11 cent. For the last question is total discount. The list price is 559 ringgit and the net payment is 345 ringgit 11 cent. The formula to get the total discount is total discount equals to list price minus net payment. Solution will be total discount equals to 559 ringgit minus to 345 ringgit 11 cent. The total discount equals to 213 ringgit 89 cent. We have reached the end of presentation. So the conclusion is, from chapter 6, which is annuity, we can plan our decision before making a purchase that related to loan based on what we understand from annuity. We also be aware of the difference between monthly payment, future value, overdue payments, and overpayment. From chapter 7, we have learned the meaning of trade discount and cash discount. Besides that, we know how to calculate the single equivalent rate, net price, net payment, and total discount.